Welcome to Jainam Software. In this video, we are going to see daily interest calculation and 1 month locking concept in Jainam Software. So I have already created list of customers. So I have searched customer and then I click loan. Now when I click loan here, I get a lot of details to see, a lot of details to enter. What I can do here is instead of entering all the details, I can simply create the loan, the product scheme or the loan type actually. So I just say here, uh, 1 month runtime interest at 3%. Okay, 3% monthly runtime interest I select here, then 1 month. Okay, I click save. Loan is saved here. Then I search again and then click loan here. Now I can see that I can select a product, then enter amount, and here I want to select 14 last month 14 last month and click save. One loan is created here. I want to create another loan. I'm creating 3 loans here because I want to explain different concepts. So 16 but last month and last month. Click save. Select loan type, product type. I select product type, click save. Loan number 2 created. Now I click third and click loan. I select product type, enter amount, and then here I select 3 days ago and here 3 days ago and click save. Okay, I had added few settings actually which I want to remove now. Just to explain you the difference between settings here, I sign out from admin and log in from customer account. Now you can see from customer account loan number 1 here 33 days duration, so it's calculating 330. For loan account 2 31 calculating this, and for loan account 3 4 days and calculating 40. Now here the challenge here is few customers may want that it should not be 4 days, it should be 3 days because today is 16th, so from 13th October till 16th it should be 3 days, but few customers may want 4 days including the disbursement date as well. Then the few customers may want to lock 1 month of interest. Few customers they don't want to lock first month interest. So in this case, it's not locking. Now let's see how it can be locked. We can go back in admin and master setup setting. So here's category is money lending and select calculate runtime interest after, by default 0. So one is like 1 day after the disbursement date, and second setting lock first lock period in month, so I'll keep it 1. And one important thing, it was showing earlier the duration of the loan. Now I don't want a duration. What I want is interest always should be calculated by the end date. Okay, so that I will get to know the overdue actually instead of the duration. Okay, so I'll click save. So I created 3 important settings for runtime interest. Now I simply sign out and log in from customer. Now see the difference. For loan account 1, overdue instead of duration it's showing overdue 2 days because loan end date was 14, today 16, so 2 days overdue, and it's showing 300 as the first month lock and then 20 as the 2 days interest. Now here end date 16, that is 2 days, so no overdue, but interest 1 month lock 300 interest. Now here maturity is 13th November, so hence no overdue, but interest instead of earlier 40 for 4 days or 30 as of now, but it is showing 300 because it's locked for 1 month. All right, so this is how you can manage runtime interest in Jainam software, and this is a very powerful system because you can see like within like less than 2 minutes I have explained, created so many loans, login from customers, done the setting, and everything is calculated in fraction of second. So it gives you it gives power to your business, and it also provides accurate interest calculation. You can also search loan here and also see the same information like 320 in this case. In this case you'll get 300, and in third you'll get 300, right? So that's how it is calculated in Jainam software. And